na okay eyezu a enye duabo okay eyezu eyeza enye duabo na Ghana bebo a chese ama Ghana bebo dua cause bo ama Ghana ase enu our country is at a crossroad. This time around, mama yengi sa, and I'm we yafa, and I'm this ni me MPP nino. Let us look at the facts of the matter, because this State of the Nation's address we there, and kawan me kai kra nanke ye.
I say from mama na wakwa about the Bagan and same TV so. But mama this will like video no. Be subscribe to the channel no turn on notification no. So there be videos of this nature about so sabit makabi no watch your comment section no. Debi am kase mo na mafo adwuma. Sebi ya masomfo nti by chance na person contribute to studio works here microphone internet bibia pacho reach to number na wase ho no ye ne beje na ye beda wase pan so dem nyina me friend Mr President na na wase me bedi nkomo na me pacho enra and I chanced upon a video of yama minimum into hairdressing the papa mom omo me into hairdressing in fact your sisters in mom into hairdressing and more into coastal juma and reception no in some or more can in fact distress or munam or ya or munam matete ya munam no na yare hosem but I share an experience so say from January 1st to I think 31st January or analyze by their brand okoya 3,535 million obutri. So kon of na adwuma mu no ade o wa hair dryer sabi etire AI no de bo sabi etire obo nya ne nsa enye machine no de bo ye ne nsa na ne nsa enyusu electricity ko so nyo robot eti die nkoa no ya no na o ye ni kenika ewo hairdressing shop o edi adwuma nkoa no ye o shop on month bill e beba eye 3,535 million adai on awre ho se me wo mu no ne say or church no say okọ na ade why bob and a hair dryer sabi shampoo enye electricity na use shampoo na nsa o de bedwuju tima rere utima o trase ho nyina yi no sabi enye electricity na ade etina na operation theater crown no ye no hairdressing room ho no mo sabi incubate 3,535 million a month nana and she gathered the courage so the bill no ebeko ECG office. Now, also must also call young because chinchinia in the case of Chiano. And they couldn't break it down to us. You use this, you use this, you use that. And now this is 5 point, this is 1 point, this is point, and then my boka 35. Woman to manage much, and as long as I won't found co, this case of Chia. Nyansa chrono ben or Mobagana for sa. You see, here I see doing Katia during the elections campaign. No, I catch a Ghana for say so much about the NDC, Sebi. 24-hour economy no e be affect electricity bill ama electricity bill akofom asem ka kire Ghana for no in fact o kan say for organizers on be pompe car tire how much 12 mo kai o mo kan say nkofo beton wo cha how much 12 inte no be ma electricity bill akofom na isa say nsem biasi ama Ghana for bofu MPP nsemunti Ghana for fell in love with the lies and the hypocrisy of the National Democratic Congress. And again, I ain't in why. You see, NPP NDC union abro pepepe. But I dare buy the Saturn and then say, Sabi, Obi Ame, Obi sister, the breadwinner of someone's family. Oh, onya de be a name of me, dear son, a connection, ye bunning and Sakoron Wajinica. Eh, ya papa. Ade. And Minister of Energy. You see, politicians on Ayana 2028. We shall see in this country. Yana minima draining and Sakura Sabi a danko for nibiti. Most dollar coffin. Inflation coffin. Sabi petrol bo coffin. And Tabeba saying na electricity bob costro. And okay, we will have some media men. And this for most you or not born too much. Sorry to say this. Or not born too much. You see, you will be our bone. You will be in the Tidum. And you will be on the woman bone, almost in who you are bone, papa. And I will explain to you why I'm saying this. Almost among kind, among parking kind. Now saying they've hired some media stations, said they should defend the high cost of utility tariffs in Ghana. And you have some senior men in the media putting down their credibility to defend the lies and the hypocrisy of NDC. It's so serious. And I'm come to explain it to you. Omoka say IMF condition mu say yento electricity omoboa nya rekure. The word that was there was adjustment. So adjustment doesn't mean increase. And this for adjustment, it doesn't mean increase. And I'm coming to explain to you why IMF said that. IMF gave us a condition saying there are 3 conditions to which electricity or utility tariffs can increase. The first one is inflation. Second one is cost of fuel. The last one is the CD dollar ratio. First one is inflation. Second one is fuel price. Last one is CD dollar ratio. Now, NDC 4 bar on inflation from 23 at about 3.6. Bravo. On fuel from 14 to 9 cedis. Good. On dollar from 14 to 10 cedis. Yeah, boy, and mama. It's a beba and saying a sebi inflation beko form, dollar ebeko form, fuel price beko form, based on the conditions of IMF. There should be adjustment. That means there should be decrease in the cost of utility tariffs. In Sanomo, a ban is saying a still na electricity cost equals. There's a more cron for more boy in as a chrono. And as a moose, you are no more just a Ghana for United would say NDC full soldiers in Intino. Or more just a maybe a canon media brilliant. So, yeah, Ghana and SMTV, a becano connect Ghana for you. These were the conditions IMF demand. It is our conditions. A call for it means a utility tariffs. I also call from into a day into na normal you know as a cost. Mombrambe Ghana for one of my a day. It's a Ghana for you. A day any mamunubu. Sabi yenye card bearing member of the nation Ghana biwana. Mo boy Ghana nyansa krono. Mo boy Ghana nyansa krono. And these are the words on the street. You're John Dramani Mahama. Your appointees, they are disgracing you. I want to give you the benefit of the doubt, say you are not aware, but they are disgracing you. You see, us around the panel, you doom light, a year 2 you doom light, and you make 8 you doom light. You see, a pioneer there or my way. Or more me into coast or more name say or more boka, all because of doom so. Yet, Bosumeswa, Nina ECG for no more Mofukutu, no more this guy bill about so in chia bill no by force, are they? We want a breakdown on why and what leads to the increase in utility tariffs. We want the breakdown. More increase bill na my. Yet you are not rendering out the services we deserve. Nyansa krono amobo Ghana for.
I am thinking baby ada. Say Ghana ha. Chenchirache busu bibia na kwata bia so a. Yento electricity so on kada. IMF go for mo cho wa ha say. Enyinam kanea na ye no. Ye wani ama bia e ma ne bo ekosoro. Niama na ye no kanea no. Niama na e ma ne bo ekosoro ye enan. De di kan aye dollar ni cedi exchange rate no. De atoso mienu aye inflation no say ekosoro a na che say niama na ye de no enyinam kanea no so be ekosoro. De atoso miensa aye won say Ghana ha no ye kanea no ye de gas aye bi. Ene ye de fuel no so ye den aye bi. Eti fuel mo so kosoro a ema enyinam kanea na ye no so ye den ekosoro. Na mpempi no say omunwa enyinam kanea no wi a say ekosoro say ekofemo aban etuye bia na tesoma oman no eti se de be ya ECG nkoboka na fe de eso mo ton kanea ma yo munye sika ntonti kanea ne bo na omo no enyinam no ede be ma ye no ye ntua sa bo no na de be ma ye hu se ne bo no koso na ne bo ne kofem no inflation no dollar to cedi exchange rate no and the cost of fuel eti de na ayam Africa ne se inflation cost ra to kanea ni because ne no anu bo be den e be cost se fuel price cost ra o kanea no betumi atum because ne no anu be den e be cost exchange rate no e cost ra ne no anu be den e be cost sa nso na se e ba fam a ese so ye den what is so that is what the IMF means by cost reflective e mo kire niema e go into the cost enti e ba ne sen and at 2025 dollar every 14 cedis about 10 cedis inflation every 23 cedis about 23 cedis about 3.4 and that's a 3.6%. Now fuel price every 14 cedis about 9 cedis. What the government should be doing as we speak is to reduce our electricity tariffs for us in this country based on the IMF conditionality. So what the IMF conditionality na ye juma pa dia and ye niama na IMF say yama cost on reflect no say the money na dey akofem it in kase ye dey it see electricity so it is a aban penny be catch say IMF nti na Yeah, to electricity mu a. Actually say IMF document we say am nyina makan bi. If you na kokra ye beto WhatsApp platform so bia we Ghana bia kan bi. IMF say exchange rate fuel and inflation ba fam a monte so. E kwasoro so a montum. Nyame adom 2025. Ni nyina akofam kra afi adan e na mama yetua 28%. Na de en wo kra ne say PUS ntum no kra no. Say komo de exchange rate ni we no kra na ye kra ya. Omo akasa for omo exchange rates. Afọ omo inflation. Enye no e na e reflect this here e no mo de atoto electricity. For example, quarter 1 to 2, PUS for say omo hwe say ebia exchange rate no e be ko be 15 to 69 pesos. Eti no mo gida so e no mo de increase electricity man. Meanwhile, embra no mo increase electricity no. Na the actual no e 13 cedis in the first to second quarter. It means that sa increment na omo de man in the first to second quarter 2025 no. Omo man ya man bro so dodo. Ye tuya man bro so. Omo de omo 15 cedis na here den. Wa bra na your friend is saying ade na 13 cedis. Quarter 3, omo say omo expect say e be ko be 10 cedis. E ko 11 cedis. No omo use 10 cedis na man. Quarter 4, omo say omo expect say be ko 12 cedis. E ko 10 cedis. But still omo de 12 cedis na here den. Eye man. It is ye hwem pa. Na say ye the PUS for ankasa data omo de ato abonten e na e kasa de a e na busuafo. PUS for omo charge ya man na bro so say na say omo ye den. Omo charge ye kra data ni nie. Data na ankasa omo de to abonten no enie.
Dresses for pan. Lad Benny my intimi nyajuma because people last me were on mobile ECG for buy or mobile check me meter almost me the cat 31 million. And I'm saying na dey na me using na me what me this aka na because obi oye cost to kra no on tua sa aka no enti me call office am no mo kwa check e almost still as aka na ese me dey me tua enso hairdressers kra obi ba e na wo ya ama no enti ye ni enyuma ye nyina light no agi sika no enti samba no ai na agi so obasa atumu a onjai because o ma light ni e plan ye ntimi kwa nhwe ye ma eni ye busua enti yesre na o hairdressers for pa any light off no mo ma no mutimi ma light off ma yedem e ma de echi enti yanya sa enti mesre no aban ne pa yesre no onja lad be no on te su kaka e ma ene ye ho han ye kakra me das.
This state of the nation is the second state of the nation, Sanamebwa.
Yes.
And again, you know what exposed Mahama? The budget. Budget na ye dey born mine hobrano. It always exposes His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Kukudu mi no ni na wa ha, maybe sinomo wa ha. Ana ye handing over. Kwabena minta kando no mo be ye press conference ka kire ye say. Pass on opposition, Omukasa Nanado didn't employ nurses. But Omoba, you know who said Nanado has overemployed me patron meboa. As my Mika meboa. Are you a this is maybe me patron a tronomika. Omo me press conference said Nanado has overemployed. And until 2025, they cannot employ nurses.
Yeah.
Into nurses for Nyambo Tremom, they will employ them in 2026. Isn't that what they told them?
Yes, they should give them a year. Yeah. A year off.
Isn't that what they said?
Mahama Kwakacha so 1 year and he would the Beko honeymoon.
You see, intino obia wankasa. U 2025 budget akachiro say only space to hire. Me person nipa bitini ya maybe as you. U 2025 budget na what they unless you go for supplementary budget. Dia what they bo man ho bra no e kire say untumi mfa den, untumi mfa nurse for. Untumi recruit to government workers. And unti womo kura na abinda dana form dada no opekweti kwan bi de yeden e de pam womo free to create space for the day. I mean like away just to create space. Now over 2026 here, nobody informed John Dramani Mahama. Now John Mahama be jina nipa ni maka chance wa employ nipa 1 million. Kukrudu answer na government and to be full be near free BB clearance. And the clearance come from the Ministry of Finance. Okay? So Ministry of Finance ma kwan so okay, you bet me atua sankrofo we ka na wa form adwuma. Me patcho Ministry of Finance clearance or the buy or the fast those people, those workers in the public sector na we me patcho one document. What is a finance ministry? The document be about say we were able to do this and created clearance, so this amount of people are what are being employed. Even your own government statistician is telling you, say, you're employed to that level. Yet John Mahama thinks everybody is an NDC person. Obia and kind, Obia general form, Obia and Tonto. Yet Kromo Hana must say economy inti, Muko Senchi. Not Muko Ped, your bear chairman of Senchi, I must say, Kriadonko, Yanya Agrico, yes, economic. IMF. That was 2015. This man has become president again, and what pisses me off, and I will say this, and I'm not lying. Kukudu, the he was NDC, and the Mahama membo we are omubu ni say, Sikana nko betu media tuya nurse ni teacher nino, also the Bama Bridget to any media for Kalaje. Scala Joe, and one and this boy, yeah, and cranny boy, hide. I was any friend of Bongo Miles and one way. Now, Momaka say a year, and the cranny grew to the 9 or person pie to pie a graditum or Niska or Debeto. Was what the sense cannot queer, you need the better to pie a dear good cruise. What do you come and rob the generals and rob the governor? And to won't go to your nest of why I saw a qualibu near Monsemano. And you sit there and you NDC people think this is about politics. You people think this is about politics. Your child was going to school. Sister Mavis was telling us, BEC, nay free. Nanado was paying the bills. The last time I checked, there are some schools that are paying as high fees, so 1,900 Ghana cedis. For BEC, 1,900.
I know voter regime for no demonstration, you know.
BEC, then you sit down and you let money steal your conscience and you tell us by Papa. Look at your State of the Nation's address, just like Mimi said, you know, the real State of the Nation's address is this. Transportation Ministry, yeah, and kami wumisika, na ensumi ntumi nyaka nkufi, Emma. Se fuel na yatete sono na ye Mahamadiya na ne na minim de enti en na Russia e ye from saying Iran ne Israel say omoko Iran and Israel fighting is not telling us say our fuel is going to go up. But I thought Mahama had the magic. Me see we are say me na me di Yesu di pa kukurudu me na dawo na me di ye na Awurade Messiah Yeshua HaMashiach ni di nanso ene na nsan. And me too kwan ko Ghana bio na mekohia obema wanwafuo bi bema chese bema wanwafuo a na adwuma wa be Yesu kura hu na na yemu achi no John Mahama na ko hu John Mahama wono de esabio gold we 32 tons otumi ma ya mene amanika 18 yemu hu akonta ebinsi da magician fo ya ye de omo ba ye waterproof no me ade ade omo be ye magic de ajana 1 ajana 2 but endu say gold, solid gold. You to me money. Na unim. Yeah. Oh, the Ghana is sad country. Okay? Kukuru, do you know what pisses me off? These people sold the gold time and gold price about from to their own people. Okay? Say we have too much gold. Then God no mo say you be brenti o ma ton bi no o mo nim so mo numbers for parliament nti wo ma san atro another letter say ye mo kwan no mo kwan to gold for. Guess what the price is? 5,000. Say price no cost low. Nti basically what the NDC is telling us say gold na o mo wi aye no edema wo mo ho no wo mo pese wo mo sign ton dem a buy at a higher price. Na okay eyezu a enye duabo. Okay eyezu a yesa enye duabo na Ghana be bo. A chese ama Ghana be bo dua cause bo ama Ghana ase. And you know our country is at a crossroad. This time around mama yengi sa and am we yafa and am NDC ni me MPP ni no. Let us look at the facts of the matter. Because this State of the Nation's address we there and ka wan be kan kra na nkeye.